Hi there, it's Cynthia Gill with Florida Educational Services, and I just want to spend a few moments talking to you about how we at FES can help bring value to your top 20% agent. I know that as a former team leader, one of the things that we always focused on was what value could we bring to our top tiered agents, our mega agents, and our agents who continue to produce at a level that added them to our top 20% of our roster. And what I found when I entered into partnership with the Ubaldini Group as a team leader was this amazing platform that FES provided. The quality of education, the ease in which they help us to promote classes, the flyers, the Facebook messages, the videos from the instructors, all aided in making this a special opportunity for our top 20% agent. So, you as a team leader or as an OP, if you're struggling to add value on a consistent basis, whether that be quarterly or a few times a year or even monthly, then let's talk. Because I will promise you that it will make a huge difference in your market center's retention and also the growth of your top 20% agents and their teams. So click on the link below and schedule a 15 to 20 minute exploratory consultation call with me and my business partner, Melissa De Maria. We can't wait to talk to you about how we can affect change in your market center. We look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you so much for listening.